Understanding prototyping tools in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of design and development: prototyping tools. If you're interested in how ideas turn into reality, especially in digital products, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and understand what prototyping tools are all about. Prototyping tools are software applications used in the design process, especially for creating the preliminary versions of a product. Imagine you have an idea for a new app or website. Before you build the actual product, you need a way to visualize and test your idea. That's where prototyping tools come in. They allow designers to create interactive and functional models of their ideas, which look and feel like the final product. This process helps in identifying any design flaws and making improvements before any real coding starts. Prototyping tools are crucial in the design process for several reasons. Firstly, they save time and money. By identifying and fixing issues early on, they prevent costly changes later in the development process. Secondly, they enhance communication among team members and with clients, providing a clear visual representation of the product. Lastly, prototypes help in conducting user testing, ensuring that the final product is user-friendly and meets the needs of the target audience. There are many prototyping tools available, each with its unique features. Some popular examples include Sketch, known for its simplicity and extensive plugin ecosystem. Adobe XD offers powerful collaboration features and is integrated with other Adobe products. Figma, a web-based tool great for real-time collaboration. InVision provides a comprehensive platform for design and prototyping. Choosing the right prototyping tool depends on several factors. Project requirements. The complexity of your project will determine the features you need. Team collaboration. If you work in a team, consider tools that offer good collaboration features. Budget. Some tools are free, while others require a subscription. Ease of use, especially important for beginners or teams with a tight timeline. Prototyping tools are an essential part of the design and development process. They help bring ideas to life, ensuring that the final products are both functional and user-friendly. Whether you're a designer, developer, or just someone interested in product creation, understanding these tools can be immensely beneficial. I hope this video has helped illuminate the world of prototyping tools for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.